Yay! Last one. Okay, the graph of f is shown below. Here's f. I like to label line graphs. Whenever I get graphs, I like to label them. Approximate this using the trapezoid rule with 3 equal subdivisions. Oh, the trapezoid rule. All right, so we're going from -3 to 3. I get that from the boundaries. Now, what is that? Let's see. 3 minus -3, that's 6. Okay, so the delta x from here to here is going to be figured out with this 6. Now, how many subdivisions are we going to have? We're going to have 3. It says right here. So let's go 6 divided by 3. So that means we get 2. This is going to be our delta x. So every 2. So from here to here. So this guy to this guy. All right. Let's draw our trapezoid right here. So actually, that's a triangle, huh? We can not use the trapezoid rule. Oh, even the trapezoid rule will end up with the triangle area. The next one will be from -1 to 1. So we have this point and this point. The trapezoid rule, you just connect the 2 y values that you get from the ends. So this is the end, this is the end. In our case, this is a triangle, so you can do a shortcut and use a triangle instead. But I am going to use the trapezoid formula. And then the last one goes from 1 to 3. So I put a y value there, a y value there. I connect those. Wow, with some kind of a straight line. Come on. And then there you have it. There's your, dang it. My hand's sticking to the glass. Stupid. Okay, so we have a trapezoid here. So let's do it. Okay, now the bases. Now this is a trapezoid rule. Okay, let's use blue because I haven't used blue yet. Here's a trapezoid rule. It's 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2. Then you multiply it times the height. Now in calculus, on these graphs, it's not base 1 and base 2. It's f of x sub 1 plus f of x sub 2. All right, that would give me the height of the first x, which in this case is -3, and then the height of the next x, which is -1. That's the x value, but we know the height is just 0. So anyways, and then this h is the delta x that connects the 2. Now, it's kind of hard because it's a triangle, but if you're looking at this trapezoid right here, we have base 1 and base 2. Now, in terms of the function, this base 1 is f of 1, which equals 3. We know this equals 3 right here. And then this base 2 is actually f of 3. That's right here, which we know is 1 just because of the graph. So then we take that, we multiply by 1/2, and then all of our h's, which is actually delta x, is 2. Okay, this is 2, this is 2, the 2. The height of the trapezoids, I mean, if it helps, turn it sideways. You can see this is the normal height of the trapezoid, but in our case, we're going to call it delta x. Okay, so I got to do that for each of those. Here we go. We have 1/2, and the first height right here is 2. And I normally would do this a lot faster, but I want you guys to follow along with me. And then we have our delta x, which is 2. So that's our first trapezoid, which is technically a triangle. But because of that 0, it's still a triangle. Anyways, I'll stop saying that. Next, we have 1/2, the first base, which is 0, plus the second base, which is 3. And we multiply that by 2 because that's the delta x. And then we have it one more time, 1/2 and times 3 plus 1 times 2. All right, isn't this great? Look, all these 1/2s cancel out with the 2's. 1/2 times 2, 1/2 times 2, right? Because you can switch the order of multiplication. It's a beautiful thing. Then we have 2 plus, this is going to be 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Plus 3 and 1, that's 4. And so our final answer is going to be 9. Boom. Done.